Okay, here's my cheap little Visuo drone. It's got a camera on the front, and it's got a camera on the bottom, which is called like an optical flow camera. Came with 2 batteries, and your phone mounts right there, so you can actually have like FPV footage. I did put these guards on, but I'm gonna pop the battery in and let my daughter fly it. Here, hold that. Okay. So the battery just goes in just like that. So there's the on-off switch. So why don't you turn it on and then just set it on the ground. So then push the button. There you go. Now remember, just like the other ones, you make that stick go up and down.
Which one?
This one. Just that one. Up and down. There you go. So right here, if you look, let's see if we can get in here. I can't see. Can you see? Okay, so right here is a takeoff button. So push that and it's gonna come up in the air. There you go. I can't really see it that good. Okay, now fly it up. Go up. Now fly it over to the fence if you can. Away from the tree. That's hard to see because, okay, that's good. Pretty impossible to see, but there you go. You can go up higher. It's okay. Go up a little higher. Keep going. There it is right there. Pretty easy to fly, isn't it?
Yep.
All right. Why don't you hit the, okay. So one other thing I'll show you. Okay, leave it right there. Okay, so if you look, here, put the remote out. Stick your remote out a little bit. So see, that's also the land button. So hit land when I tell you. Hit land.
Where?
It's right there, that button right there. Hit land, and it automatically comes down and lands. Okay, it does have like a home button, but I haven't figured out how to get that to work yet. All right, so let's go ahead and land it, and then I'll get some FPV footage. Okay, so you basically bring it up on your phone and connect it to the Wi-Fi. It's pretty simple, and then you can start doing your FPV here. This is my daughter flying. It hovers pretty good. It's super easy to fly, way easier than the cheaper ones that don't have the optical flow. This is non-GPS, so it's optical flow. You can fly it indoors and it will still be fine. There's no gimbal, so your camera's gonna move around on you. To me, the video quality is good enough. It is what it is. I think I'm gonna start flying here in a second, but this is a field flyer. It's a drone that you want to see. You're not gonna fly it far away. You're gonna fly it somewhere where you can still see it. So I've actually had the battery die and it fell out in the field here, so we had to go get it. But we did. It's been in a tree. It's survived a lot. It's a cheap plastic drone. Don't expect quality. The propellers do fold in. But I mean, look at that. The video quality is totally acceptable. Is what it is. The things I don't like about it, I guess, would just be the battery. The battery and the charger. There's no indicator light that they're charging, so you just don't know. You don't know if it's going to shut off. You don't know, so I just set a timer and I charge them. So that's about it. I do recommend this thing for $50. It's a good first step into flying a drone. So I bought it at AliExpress, and I believe it was $55 with 2 batteries. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Have a good one. So something I forgot is it does come up with an app, and that's what I'm using. You can see it in the video. and it has a follow me feature, and I could never get it to work. So that would have been cool, but it just didn't work. Anyway, thank you.